Namaskar everyone. I am Jyoti and you are on Just Spark with Jyoti with me. And our special guest is Miss Kusum today. She is a very enthusiastic and very passionate learner, and we are here on an orientation program for English communication. So,
Namaskar.
Kusum,
Yes. Namaskar. I'm Kusum from Shriji Baba Saraswati Balika Vidya Mandir, Mathura.
so Kusum, as I saw, you have such a wonderful personality. You are you are like my role model. So, I have questions I want to ask you.
You can ask
First,
whatever you
first
want to
tell me
ask.
about your qualifications.
I have completed MSc Physics and B.Ed.
MSc in which subject?
Physics.
Physics. So, you are in teaching subject. What do you want if you were not in teaching subject? Then where do you see yourself?
I would be motivator.
Motivate. Good. Why?
Uh, as I see, there are many points which our society is lacking, like some points which are natural, like conservation of resources, etc., and in studies. So I would like to be a motivator because I think I can motivate to some people. Actually, I can motivate. If I could motivate even a single person, then it would be my pleasure. So I want to be a motivator. If I would not be there in teaching line, I would go to motivation line.
For that motivation, what would you suggest our audience? What would you suggest? What you have to do for that motivation?
Firstly, I would like to say to my audience, who are the person like kids or elder people who are there, you must conserve the nature resources. My main motive is this. Even in teaching, I always say to children like conserve resources. These are like we are consuming them like they are renewable. These all are non-renewable. We should conserve them. We should conserve even food, water, plants, electricity, fuels, whatever we are having from nature. We should conserve all of these things.
Apart from teaching, what are your hobbies?
I like listening music, watching movies.
So, watching movies. What kind of movies you like?
It depends on mood. Sometimes I like horror movies. Sometimes I like comedy movies. Sometimes thriller.
So, Kusum, as per your orientation program is concerned, your orientation program is going on. How do you find the sessions?
Sessions are fantabulous. Our mentor sir, Deepak sir, and Dharmveer sir, both are very good. They are awesome, and I'm getting a lot of things. I have learned a lot from here, and I'll definitely implement which I am learning from here. I'll definitely use these activities which I have been learning here in my school. Definitely, I'll do almost. I'll try for all the activities, and the language like English language. I'll definitely use English language here. So that's all. Yes.
Whom do you like the most
Uh,
out
in
of your mentors?
out of your mentors, both the mentors are awesome. Both have different personalities, so I can't judge who are the best, who is the best from both of them. But as they are mentors, they are giving me teaching, and they both giving me a lot and giving us a lot. So both are respectful for me. I definitely remember these both of them always.
So, Kusum, one thing I want to ask: is there any difference between like educating from Delhi or educating from UP board? Is there any difference you find?
Uh, Actually, I don't know about Delhi board or which type of.
The CBSE central.
Okay, CBSE. CBSE. Actually, UP board is from Hindi medium, like, but not. We should not say UP board means Hindi medium. There are most of the schools are from in UP board Hindi medium, but I am from UP board and I am from in the school which is English medium. UP board but English medium. So UP board is also good, but nowadays it is corrupted. Like there is cheating, and the copy correction is also they do not do this thing. Evaluation work is in a proper form, and in CBSE it is English medium. All over the CBSE books are English medium, and they are doing well nowadays.
So Kusum, you know about AI?
Yes, but I'll learn more now. Abhi means I am in learning form.
How it will affect the society? How it will affect the students, the children, or the society? What is the impact of AI on it?
AI, we should learn, as I'll also learn. Not even teacher, kids, students means both. Means parents also should learn about AI.
So thank you. Here we were with Kusum, Miss Kusum, and Just Park with Jyoti. You were here with in Just Park with Jyoti, and thank you all of you. Thank you
Thank
my
you.
audience. Namaskar.